Recording!
Is it?
Yes.
Martin representing Jigsaw Sneakers and Della representing Soul Jam and Jigsaw. And you are watching GrooveTV. Thank you for such an awesome event. Peace.
Yeah!
Another one.
Another one.
Yeah. Again?
Yes. I want more animated moves, like arms.
We're not
crazy.
animated. So.
Oh,
No, it may seem a bit corny.
Okay, fine. Well, then just be intimidating.
We're not intimidated.
Okay.
It's still recording, isn't it?
It is.
Watching GrooveTV! Oh, okay. GrooveMelbourne.
Yes.
That's the best one. Put that in. Jigsaw Sneakers. Martin. Bella.
Alright, action, go.
No, that was it. Okay. I'm Della for Jigsaw Sneakers, and this is Martin. Jigsaw Sneakers represent and Cypher Sapiens, and you are watching GrooveTV. GrooveMelbourne represent.
What's up? Thanks, guys. Show us some moves. Yeah.
This is a really good inside camera.
It's pretty good, yeah.
Well, I guess because the lighting
It's really good.
Yeah.
Put some music on and jam for a bit, so I can show some. I'll put some jamming stuff on. Good to luck. Yeah. Done shot. Thanks, guys.